All right, you guys, we're going to get straight into it. My name is Misha. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm currently holding baby Peanut as I was cooking this potato recipe. So your girl was just doing what she got to do. You know, it is what it is. So I'm going to poke some holes in my sweet potatoes. They are kind of on the larger side, but you can use whatever size you prefer or potato you prefer. Well, sweet potatoes anyway. I like purple sweet potatoes too. I need to make those on this channel. So I'm going to drizzle this with some oil and sprinkle on some salt. And I'm going to pop them in the oven. I don't even know how long I had it in there. Probably 45 to 50 minutes. Probably an hour, child. I put them in there. Went to handle my business with baby Peanut, and then I came back and they were done. They were perfect. They were beautiful. They're nice and yummy and sweet, and they were just good to go. Like right here, to let you know just how sweet your sweet potatoes are. They're like nice and syrupy, and you know, you just won't have to add too much sweeteners to it to make it extra super sweet. So anyway, now I'm gonna cut it right down the middle. You don't have to cut it this way. I prefer it this way today because they're, like I said, they're kind of on the larger side. So now I'm just gonna take a fork and just scrape at it a bit and push at it to make it look kind of sort of like a boat, like a wider boat, I should say. No pun intended, child. You know how this platform do. But anyway, you want to scrape at it like this. It's super simple, super easy. And I know this might look super easy to most people because a lot of us cook. But believe it or not, you guys, it's a lot of people that actually don't know how to cook. And so that's why I'm here, to show you the basics. So once I do that, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Like I said, I'm keeping it pretty simple. It's one of those days where I'm super busy and I just wanted a quick lunch. And these were just good to go. And a treat because it was kind of sweet. All right, so after I added my salt and pepper, I'm going to put some butter down in here. Just a pat of butter, a couple pats of butter on each piece like I'm doing here. And you can also use olive oil if you're not really a butter person, but just use a good quality butter if you're going to do this. And then next I'm going to sprinkle it with some cinnamon, just like I'm doing here. And I'm also going to top it with some marshmallows. Now, at this point right here, a lot of people add brown sugar or honey to this. Like I said, my potatoes were super sweet. Sometimes you could buy a sweet potato honey and it tastes like cardboard. I had sweet potato taste like cardboard because it just wasn't sweet. So in that case, I would have added more sweetener, but it didn't need it. So I added the marshmallows on top, and I'm going to pop it into the oven, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. It was just so good, so simple, and so easy to make. And I think you guys should try it. All right, so these are what they look like. Nice and bubbly, nice and golden. The marshmallows are perfectly melted over top. And like I said, some days I just eat this with like some tea or water, juice, whatever for lunch. But today, honey, today we're having it with some fish. Okay, some crispy fried fish, baby. Okay, and yes, that's a paper plate. Don't come over here judging me. I don't care. I'm not care. Don't come over here and judge me. All right, right upon the paper plate. See there? It was so good, you guys. But thank you guys so much for your love and your support. As per usual, thanks for being patient with me because I've been so inconsistent and lackluster. But I'm finding my way back. Okay, I'm trying. But anyway, thank you for your support, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.